Hello students, good morning. How are you? Fine, okay. In last class we already studied about the Delhi city. So today we will continue with Mumbai city. Okay. You see, Mumbai was earlier known as Bombay. So it is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is located on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is also known as the economic capital of India. Which is known as economic capital of India? Mumbai. Okay. So now we will see here the transport in Mumbai. The Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link connects the western areas of Mumbai to South Mumbai. There is the sea link which is called Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, and this connects with western area of Mumbai to South Mumbai. The Mumbai Suburban Railway runs the network of local trains in the city which people used to commute in and around the city. So the Mumbai Suburban Railway is running through the network of local train in the city in which which people used to commute in the around the city, means to communicate. Okay. Mumbai has the largest container port in the country called the Jawaharlal Nehru Port. So you could see here that picture is given here, the container port, a port that specializes in goods transport in container, means everything is available there. Now climate. Mumbai experiences warm, humid summers and pleasant winters. The city receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. Now, what are the culture they practice there? Marathi is the language spoken by most people in Mumbai. In Mumbai, most of the people speak in Marathi language. Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati and Konkani etc. are also spoken. Different languages are also being spoken like Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, Konkani and etc. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most widely celebrated festival in the city. In Maharashtra, when you go, you will see the Ganesh Chaturthi is most solemnly celebrated there. Navratri, Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas are also celebrated in the city. Other than Ganesh Chaturthi, other festivals are also celebrated like Navratri, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, all that. The city is the birthplace of the Hindi film industry, popularly known as Bollywood. The Bollywood is basically made in Maharashtra, so Maharashtra is known as the birthplace of Hindi film industry. So it is very popular place of making the film. The great variety in food items is also found in Mumbai. Vada pav, bhajia and bhelpuri are very popular. So vada pav, bhajia, bhelpuri, all this eatable item you will find in Mumbai. Places of interest, the tourist places, okay, which we can say tourist places like Marine Drive, Nehru Planetarium, Hanging Gardens, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Juhu Beach, Haji Ali Dargah. Okay, all these places you can see in Mumbai. We will see now Kolkata. Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. Okay, it is the capital of West Bengal and is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. The Howrah Bridge is built on the Hooghly River. Almost everybody know the Howrah Bridge is made where? It is made on the Hooghly River. So Kolkata is also known as the city of joy. Kolkata has the well-developed transport system consisting of trams, underground, metro, taxi, rickshaw and buses. Now, climate in Kolkata. Kolkata experiences warm, humid summers and heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. Culture. Majority of people in the city speak Bengali. In Kolkata, when you go, majority of the people speak Bengali. You could hear Bengali language. While all the festivals are observed in the city, Durga Puja and Kali Puja are celebrated with great gusto. Means many festivals are celebrated there, but Durga Puja and Kali Puja is celebrated more solemnly and very it is people experience more joy in these two festivals. Rice and fish are the important part of the Bengali diet. Sweets such as sandesh, rasgulla and misti dohi are very popular in Kolkata. Places of interest. Victoria Memorial, Ramakrishna Mission at Belur Math, Rabindranath Tagore's House, National Library of India, Kalighat, Birla Planetarium, Eden Garden Stadium. All these are places of interest. So when you go to Kolkata, please visit all these places and see them and enjoy the beauty of these places. Now we will see Chennai. Chennai was earlier known as Madras. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Fort St. George functions as the administrative building of the government of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. When you see the map, you will see where it is, and it is the Chennai is located in the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Transport. Chennai has a very effective bus service run by Metropolitan Transport Corporation. Now, Chennai is also known as the Detroit of India. Again, we see here climate. The weather in Chennai is warm and humid all through the year. It receives rainfall in winter as well. The city has a suburban railway system and a relatively new metro system. Also, we see here Chennai Port and Ennore Port are the two major ports serving the city. Culture. Majority of people in the city speak Tamil. Now, when you go to Chennai, you will find the people speaking in Tamil. Carnataki music and the classical dance form of Bharatanatyam are very popular in Chennai. The city is also home to the Tamil film industry known as Kollywood. Hindi film is known as Bollywood, and the Tamil film industry is known as Kollywood. Pongal is the very important festival of Chennai. The important festival which they celebrate is Pongal. Rice-based dishes such as idli, dosa and vadas are widely eaten by the people of Chennai. Now places of interest. Gunti National Park, St. Mary's Church, Santhom Basilica, Connemara Public Library, Marina Beach, one of the longest beaches in the world, and Kapaleshwar Temple. These are the places of interest in Chennai. So we will continue the next chapter also, chapter 5, some other cities along with this chapter 4, and we will continue it in the next class. Thank you.